Roof maintenance is an ongoing process. The weather deteriorates a property and one needs to keep one's hand on it. This property was not in a too bad situation. It needed a waterproofing touch and a fresh layer of paint. Waterproofing started to crack and lift up. If the left opening for the rain to enter and deterioration of the roof. When water enters a roof, the structure will fail and mold will grow. Leaving the situation as it is will cause huge expenses to occur. Mold growing in the roof will have medical consequences. This will have huge financial expenses. The old defective waterproofing must be removed. Replace with a fresh waterproofing membrane to seal the roof. Paint the roof to protect it. Work on the roof. Clean the roof of all dust and loose paint. Remove cracked waterproofing and replace with French waterproofing. Paint the roof with high-quality UV-resistant paint. After the roof was newly waterproofed and painted, the property is now well protected for its occupants. The contractor removed the redundant waterproofing and renewed it. The waterproofed house is a pleasure to stay in now. To have your property waterproofed, visit site https://tremco.co.za or call 07327082270.